Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there. So, I will ask you, what is the very reason or why you are doing your business? Bakit ginagawa mo yung business mo? So, in today's video, I want you to learn this one that you need to create a video that create an impact. Yan. So, that yung business mo, kahit nag-struggle ka or may obstacles, you know that there's a vision and a mission behind in your business. So, then pag-uusapan natin in today's video. Kaya tutok ka lang and I hope it can help you a lot. So, see you! Alright, so number one that I can share to you is para maging impactful yung business is number one, you are doing it because it is your own story. So I have my own story. I have a lot of struggles, no, pero I found out na bago ako nakapagbalik sa business, I found out na bata pa lang talaga ako. I love selling things and I love doing business when I was a child pa lang talaga. And then, my story is this one. Nakapagtrabaho na ako. I was 19 years old and then we are on the vision na and I'm caught by the vision. I know how important is doing the vision in my life. And then, 3 years ako dun sa company, nahihirapan talaga ako because I want to go on the encounter, on the conferences, but because of the work that I have on that time, kasi hindi ako makapag-totally commit, no? Talaga. And then, of course, hindi ganun kalaki yung sahod. Sakto lang sa akin. And then, nag-start na ako mag-venture sa mga iba-ibang mga business. When I was single, when I was dalaga pa lang ako. And then, lahat na lang ng mga business na naisip ko. But, in today's video, iba talaga yung nakatay siya sa story mo. So, yung story mo, yun yung gagawin mong business. So, what is your story? So, I have a lot of struggles. I have also mga bagay na hindi ko maintindihan sa business. When I found out all these things, nung naging kaming mag-asawa, nakita ko, wow, ang ganda pala sa online. So, he can do things, no, na pwede sa online. And then, ang kagandahan nun, kapag may laptop ka, kahit saan ka, pwede mo siyang gamitin. So, yun yung isa sa mga gusto ko na, wow, ang ganda pala, pwede pala nito. Kasi, unang-una, magiging available ka talaga kay Lord. Because you can do a flexible time, no, on those online. So, yung unang-una nakita ko talaga is freelancing. So, mag-work ka as a freelancer. Pero beyond that, nakita ko talaga that more than freelancer, magiging online business owner ka. Yun yung talagang nakita ko na mas advantage doon sa pagiging full-time kay Lord at gusto mo talagang makapagbigay ng maraming time kay Lord. At of course, sabi ko nga na-share ko sa isang video ko, you can check this out, why I work from home. So you can check it out because I want also to spend a lot of my time for my family. At the same time, paano kaya magkaroon ng magandang income? And I found out this kind of business that I want you to know. So number two that you can do is how to create a business to impact, no, to have an impact. Number two is to share lahat ng mga na-overcome mo. So again, my business model is creating an online business. So I have a lot of obstacles and struggles in my life kung paano ko na-overcome yun and kung paano ako nagkaroon ng ganitong confidence because number one, I know that I am a child of God and how I have overcome it, I push myself to learn a lot. No, I push myself to learn new skills, to study more, no, using online, and then I paid a lot of courses through online and then na-found out ko na ganito yung kailangan ko. Yun nga, kailangan mong ma-overcome yung mga dapat mong i-overcome so that you can share it to other people. So number one that I've already overcome is I will not stay na walang legacy, na walang mararating sa buhay because I am a child of God. So, yun yung mga legacy na nakita ko na if you are doing business or gusto mong maging impactful yung business mo, dapat naka-tie up talaga sa yung story. Sa yung story, and then lahat na na-overcome mo, na-master mo, may skills na meron ka ngayon. And ngayon nakita ko rin that the skills that I have is I can teach because of the ability that God gave me. I can teach because I have the freedom, and it comes from the heart. Pag talaga nagtiteach ka, dapat nanggagaling talaga sa puso mo. So I teach in the church, sa Destiny, and also pag nasa cell group ka and you have your cell group, you know how to teach kasi nga you want them also to have that kind of life in Jesus. So yun, you need to share what you overcome, achievement, so that they can have also a transformation. So ako, I want to share all my achievements, skills that I've learned, obstacles that I've overcome, no, lahat ng mga transformation na nangyari sa akin, so that I can help you also to transform your life. Of course, ang unang-unang dahilan, you are a child of God. So number 3 reason para lalong lumaki yung impact mo, no, at yung business mo magkaroon ng maraming pang impact sa ibang tao. So number 3 step that you can do is get them online to reach more. So yun nga, I'm sharing it to our church, I'm sharing it to my families, I'm sharing it to my friends, I'm sharing it to everyone that I know, but I want to share it to other people. Just like this one. My preferable o yung pinaka-specific na gusto ko talagang matutunan ng maraming nagbi-business is yung YouTube platform. Lalo na pag teaching, coaching, consulting sa YouTube platform talaga. But you can use also Instagram and Facebook. So kung magaling kang writer, no, pwede mo yun kasi skill talaga. So kung saan yung strength mo. So get them online so that they can reach more people. So again, next week I will have my launching of my Purpose Accelerator program so that you will have your own business online. So yun, dahil ilo-launch ko pa lang siya, it's my first launching, so it has a discount, so don't forget na ma-notify so that I can help you. Yan, so I will teach you on how you will package also your expertise, your story, and all your experience, skill set, so that you can have also your income. So, ano yung benefit ng pagkakaroon ng ganitong business online using or doing online courses? Yun nga, pag nagkaroon ka na ng, siyempre, i-form, and then i-mold mo yung curriculum and lahat ng steps, and then if you have a system, yun, it's scalable business online. And nabanggit ko rin that year 2026, massive growth talaga yung online courses. That's why, if you want to dive into this kind of business, umpisahan mo na ngayon, and I can teach you. I am here to teach you so that you can have your own scalable business in the near future. So, ang kagandahan pa nito, hindi lalayo sa values, sa stories, sa passion mo, yung business mo. Okay, so we can use lahat ng mga pwede natin gamitin, especially online ngayon. Yan. So, in today's video, I hope it can help you a lot, and I want to impact more people. I want to help more people. I want to learn their skills. I want to learn them if they have a story, if they have the things that been overcome, na overcome nila, meron silang business. And in today's life, sa panahon natin talaga ngayon, you can use this as your business. Of course, ang pinaka main focus natin is to help other people. Kaya ang sarap nga sa vision, di ba? We are helping other people, not only hindi lang talaga sila magkaroon ng magandang finances, no, to transform their mindset, to transform their lives, to transform their hearts, to transform their whole being for God, di ba? So, if you want to learn this one, you can book a call. Na if you want to learn about this one, you can subscribe into my YouTube channel. Tuloy-tuloy lang ako mag-upload every week. And then, if something you want to learn, you can comment below, or you can also DM me if you want to ask something na importante sa'yo. Okay, in today's video, I hope na natulungan kita at nagkaroon ng impact sa'yo itong video na to. And see you around. Bye! God bless!